Let's look at the parameters of a method in more detail. And we'll use our triangle class and the method we wrote earlier to calculate the area of a triangle object that's passed in. And what I'm going to do is also pass in a primitive type, such as a double, called scale, to scale up that area. And then what I'm going to do is declare another double, called scaled area, which multiplies the area by the scale factor. And this time we'll return the scaled area. So when an actual parameter is a primitive value, this formal parameter is initialized with a copy of the value of the actual parameter. So effectively, if I declare a double called scale here and set it to 2, and then I'm going to pass this in to the calc area method, and we'll output the result. Well, as expected, the area of triangle T2, which is 1/2 by the base by the height, which is 2, multiplied by the scale factor being 2, gives a scaled area of 4. So note that if I modify the scale factor in this method, so if I set scale is equal to 1.0, because it's a primitive type, changes to this formal parameter, as we've done here, has no effect on the actual parameter. Now on the other hand, when a parameter is a reference to an object, as we can see here, being the triangle object, the formal parameter is initialized with a copy of the reference, not the copy of the object. So therefore, if I modify the base of triangle T and set that equal to 10, for example, then that's going to modify the base of the object referenced by T2. So if I do another system.out.println of the base of triangle T2, and we output T2.getBase, we expect this to print 10.0 rather than 2.0 here, which is expected because we've modified the object here, given that the triangle object referenced by T is mutable, and effectively the method used this reference to alter the state of the original object T2. So effectively, passing in a reference parameter resulted in a formal parameter, which is this parameter here, and the actual parameter T2 being aliases. So effectively they both refer to the same object.